gives you some issues. So there was a little bird that tweeted a few times, and it was hiding somewhere here. But maybe by now it's gone. Just like that loving feeling. Sometimes that loving feeling is just gone. But in some ways, Tom brought it back with that cool movie. So let's see. Let's get up a little bit more and turn and see if we can find another little bird anywhere in there. They like to just hang out around here sometimes. Let's zoom out because it's probably making people puke at this point. Zoom out a little bit. There we go. Beautiful spot. I'm right below the drone. Continuing on with my dronage. There's some kind of beeping going on. I don't know what the heck that's all about. If it's coming from the bag, if it's something that I forgot to turn off on. But there's some droning on going on. It's really beautiful here. Check that out. And I won't go close. I'll just climb a little bit more. Just a tiny bit. And then we'll do the zoom here. It's a good time to zoom. Check that out. Look at that. Looks pretty cool. Turn it around. Then the problem, you gotta zoom out first, then move around, otherwise people are gonna drop their lunch somewhere. Drop their lunch somewhere. It's really cool. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here because I've got other things to do today. But I plan to do a bunch more of these videos for you guys in this nice area. There we go. We'll have to figure out what is creating that infernal sound that keeps going beep, 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 beep. I don't know. Heading back towards us. That over there on the left is the West Inn, but we will not be going there. And there'd be people there, so we're going to get way out of Dodge and go straight back to where I am. Straight back. Gently but surely. I don't see any more birds, so we'll just go for a nice, relaxed landing. We won't scare anybody that's coming up. So we'll stay there for a second, hover. We do not want to scare any nice people that are coming through. And we can come down. Gently, this way, well away from people, and straight to that very pesky looking guy that's just sitting there. So pesky. Goodness gracious. He's so pesky, isn't he? Yeah. I definitely think so. Anyway, here we go. Do a nice landing for you guys. And it's going to be on a nice soft, well, not so soft bench. We'll see. A little bit windy, but Cyber Nanny will do its job. Oh, I thank you, Cyber Nanny. Alright, anyway. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, guys. Have a beautiful day.